हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 10th के कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर और सिलेबस के बारे में, विच इज़ ऑफ मैथ। सो द course, the total course is divided into 7 parts, and the units are given here, and marks which would be carried by them are also here given. So first of all, let's see which units name are here. The first, number system, which is of 6 marks, algebra, which is of 20 marks, coordinate geometry of 6 marks, and geometry is of 15 marks, and trigonometry of 12 marks, mensuration 10 marks, and statistics and probability of 11 marks. So I think highest weightage of the unit algebra has a 20 marks, so it is highest weightage. So let's see, the first unit is number system. So number system and the chapter which is come in number system is real number. Only one chapter is here, and 15 periods should be devoted for it. And after that, unit second. So unit second, algebra, and it has 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in unit 2 there are 4 chapters. First is polynomial, second is pair of linear equation and two variable, quadratic equation, and arithmetical propagation. So these 4 chapters would ask in the algebra portion, which is of how many marks? 20 marks. So I think 4th chapter, so may 5 you can study well to gain more marks, because this 4th chapter are come from this 4th chapter only 20 mark question would come. So after that, here coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry, unit 3rd is coordinate geometry, and chapter which we cover in coordinate geometry is also coordinate geometry. So here review concept of coordinate geometry, graphs of linear equation, distance formula, section formula, internal division. So 15 periods should be devoted for it. It will depend on your school how they provide you periods. And after that, next one is unit 4, geometry. So geometry have 1, 2 and only two chapters are going to cover in geometry. So first is triangles, the second is circle. So I think triangle for 15 periods, and circle should be of 10 periods. And after that we have trigonometry. So I think this is in 9th class trigonometry wasn't here. So in this class the new unit which added is trigonometry. So trigonometry unit 5. So trigonometry, in trigonometry there are 3 chapters. First, introduction to trigonometry, and trigonometrical identities, heights and distance, angles of evolution, angles of dispersion. So 10 periods should be 10 period for the first, and 15 period for the trigonometry identities, and 10 periods for height and distance. So next one is we have unit 6. So in unit 6, mensuration, so there are 2. It was also equally to the class 9th, because there was also 2 chapters and name was also same. But I think there are some differences. May course get harder. So what are here? First chapter is area related to the circle, surface area and volume. So 12 chapter for each should be noted, and you can pause the video and see what are the given, because it has the main key points are given in this. So after that we have last and 7th unit, static and probability. So first chapter in statics is statics itself, and second is probability. So 18 period for statics and 10 periods for probability. And after that, let's see the question paper design for class 10th. So which is very important, because this exam is going to be a board exam. So let's see. So the time is 3 3 hours and maximum marks of 80. So you can see here it was also followed in class 9. It was also in class 9, so weightage of everything is same here. So pause the video and read what are given here, and after reading this, see here 12 total marks would be of 80 marks and 20 marks given by your school. So let's see what are the internal assessment process. So internal assessment, pen paper test and multiple assessment, which will be of 10 marks, and after portfolio, the portfolio would be of 5 marks. Lab practical, so here given is lab activities to be done from the prescribed book. So from the NCERT or CBSE, you will have a book which will provide by your school, and the practicals from done by only this books. So it is your all of your school matter. So and after that, same thing I think given here. No, I think this was for a standard, and this is for basics. So take the screenshot of both of them, in which you are comfortable with, which you have taken. So it is of basic and standard. I have also earlier you, and see there internal assessment process would be also same in the who have chosen basics, and after that prescribed books name are given here. So these are not basically very important for you. You are only need to focus on this is the very important, the serial numbers, remembering, understanding. So it would be of 60 marks. So it is very high marks. And after that, applying, so solve problems to new situations by applying required knowledge, facts, and the equally means that quiz study type questions. And after that, analyzing, evaluating, creating. So it is of 8 marks. So total is 80 marks and 20 marks of internal assessment. So total marks for your 10th class would be of 100 marks. So you can prepare hard. And I want to say you something, guys. Don't study for only marks, because these things you should study as that after you pass your exam, you top or not, doesn't matter. You can proud that you tried hard. So all the best for your board examination. Prepare well. I have show you all the syllabus which are compulsory. So thanks for watching.